play that you write on your own. And you can cast yourself in any role that you want. You can be a judge or a banker or a loser. You can be a cop, or you can be a doc, or you can even be a boozer. Or you can be a pirate and sail the seas, far away from these lands, never moving further inland than your feet upon the sand, watching the dolphins swim and the seagulls fly. Yeah, you can ride the waves. You can be almost anything that you want, or you can be a pirate. You can work your life away in that office with a view, or you can go door to door and telling folks your gospel truth. You can volunteer to put clothes on the backs of those who ain't got a lot. You can sell your words or sell your soul in a parking lot. Or you can be a pirate and sail the seas, far away from these lands, never moving further inland than your feet upon the sand, watching the dolphins swim and the seagulls fly. Yeah, you can ride the waves. You can be almost anything that you want, or you can be a pirate. As long as you ain't hurting nobody, the choice is yours to make. Try to be a kindly soul and try to give more than you take. But if you're feeling lost, well, this ain't your path. Turn around and start to walk. 'Cause you can be almost anything that you want, or you can be a pirate. Yeah, you can be damn near anything that you want, or you can be a pirate. I think I'll be a pirate.